Hello and welcome to my new video. So today I'm gonna give you three most important websites that will make your edit faster and task easier. So the first website is a instant background remover. So it's called the photoroom.com. So in this website you can remove your background, but the thing that is different from any other website is that you don't have to lose your quality of the image while downloading it, and also you don't have to pay anything. It's completely free. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna give it a photo in okay for example this. Okay, so see, is instantly remove the background, and also while downloading you will get 1280 to 1280 pixel. That is decent for a 1080 video, and you don't it will be perfect. I have used other websites, but those quality is not good. Okay, you can see it's 564 kilobyte, and also the quality quite good. Okay, the next website is, okay, I will give those links in the description. Okay, so the next website is the convert image to JPEG. So while editing we need to uh, import some images. Those image don't import because of those formats don't support Premiere Pro. For example, like the format AVIF format, that is not importable to Premiere Pro. You can see. So while I try to import the AVIF format, it will not import. See, so in this case you can convert it to JPEG. uh, just drag it to the website and convert it. Boom, and download. So why this is easy from any other website? Because in other you have to write down like the AVIF to JPEG or anything else. Also, when for WebP you have to write it WebP to JPEG, but in this website you don't have to write anything else. You just have to any format image, like drag it to here, it will convert it to JPEG. Okay, you don't have to select or anything else. You just have to put it here and download it. That's it. Okay, the next important website you already have used most of the time, that is the Gemini. So using Gemini you can upscale your image. Okay, you can upscale your image, and that is free and unlimited. You don't have to pay anything else, and also you will get a better resolution from any other websites. For example, this image you can see that is pixelated and very bad quality. So when I put this image inside Gemini and write a prompt like upscale this image, that's it, and press the enter, and you will get a better resolution. It will analyze this image and generate a better quality, and it will not change uh, any pixel, but upscale this image. So you can see when I download it, it become 1.6 MB. That is quite good for a 1080 video. You see, I'm editing a 1080 video, and it become this size. Okay, so these are the three most important websites. I'll give those in the description below and you can use it. Thank you so much for watching my video.